What's up, you guys? My name is Jayden Garcia and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the top 5 winning dropshipping products that you need to be selling on your store here in April 2025 that are guaranteed to help you dominate the dropshipping market for years to come. Now, these products have been hand chosen by my team and I, and we've done all the dirty work for you. So this list is going to help you fast track your success so that way you don't have to do any guesswork on what works. I've analyzed market trends. I've tracked the demand of each of these products by checking other Shopify stores and making sure that it's actually selling. I've also scouted the top dropshipping suppliers out there to make sure that each of these products can be sourced and give us a healthy $20 margin and so much more. So if you're ready to hit the ground running and check out these amazing products that I have for you today, I would greatly appreciate it if you can drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. It really helps the channel grow. And also, no pressure, I have a full A to Z dropshipping course in my description if you want to check it out and you want to learn from myself on how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month. Be sure to go down to the description and check it out, and I'll see you guys on the inside. But without further ado, let's hop into product number 1. All right, you guys, so hopping into product number 1, and the first product we're already hopping into an absolute banger. This one right here is a 3-in-1 straightening comb. It heats up. There's a bunch of heat settings. It just makes your hair straight. I have one. I use it for my beard. This one is for your hair. There's so many products like this, and they all sell. I love the beauty niche, and products like this, again, they just work. So as you can see, there's a ton of high quality images, and with these products, I'm really focused on products that you can sell for the long haul, products that you can create a full-fledged brand around, and this product is definitely something you can do that with. So as you can see, there's 600 units or 600 plus units sold, and I checked other listings. There's like thousands of these that are sold on AliExpress, meaning that there's actual demand for the product. And as you can see, you're going to get the product for $8.06, and since it's an electronic product in the beauty niche, you can easily sell this for $30 plus, depending on how you brand this. So if you check out the video ad for this product, it's on Facebook, and it's pretty long, so I'm not going to show the whole thing, but pretty much you could just see the woman brushing her hair and it's not getting straight at all. And eventually she pulls out the product and she starts to use it. And as you can see, like how much straighter her hair is getting and how much faster she's able to straighten her hair. So the video is doing really well. This is posted pretty recently, and there's tons of comments of people saying that they love it, that it works, etc., which is great because you want to see real people asking about the product in real time. Okay, it's got 6,000 likes already, 927 comments, and over 290 shares. So this ad's working really well for them. Now, if we come over to their website, it's called Lange. I believe that's how you pronounce it. They're actually doing this really well. It seems like they've already bought the product in bulk and branded it, because it's literally the exact same one from AliExpress, but they just added their logo. Or they could have possibly just, Photoshopped that in there, but who knows? They're selling the product for $69. Like, look at that upcharge. You're literally getting the product for $8.50 and they're selling it for $69. And so I'm telling you, when it comes to these types of products, like my wife has some that cost $100, $150, $200. Like, you can really, price these products extremely high. But if you scroll through, they have a really nice brand. They have a nice feel to their website. I love this right here. I've told you guys about this in the past. If you want this, it's called Section Store. It's a Shopify app, and you can get this. It literally just shows a before and after, which is great for this type of product. You're going to need a lot of before and afters to show, curly hair versus straight hair with the product. They do a fantastic job at just showing you exactly how to use the product. There's no confusion here. I love this 1, 2, 3 step-by-step like photo here. It just looks great, super clean. And then they ended off with some reviews of real people using the product. But all in all, this is a fantastic product, and I definitely recommend that you test it. There's so many different variations out there, so the opportunities are endless, and there's plenty of competitors that are crushing with this type of product. Now, before we go ahead and hop into the next winning product, let's talk about something that makes dropshipping so much easier, and it's the way that I found each and every single product on today's list. Now, AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping tool that gives you an efficient way to source, automate, and scale your store. Now, there's so many different ways that you can find winning dropshipping products with this platform. Now, this is their marketplace section. This shows you all the products that AutoDS has to offer, sorted by best sellers, new arrivals, and a ton of different niches. Now, personally, I love their ad spy tool because it beats having to go to the TikTok Creative Center and the Facebook ad library. I can see everything all underneath one hub, and I can go through and find all of the top advertisements in the market. And if you couldn't tell already, the shipping times are insane. Shipping times for this product, 4 business days, 2 business days. That's literally unheard of. Now, like I said before, this is an all-in-one dropshipping tool. So while I'm doing my product research, if I find a product that I want to sell, all I have to do is just highlight over it and click on import draft, and I'm ready to edit my product to send it right to my Shopify store with just one click. But if we want to see more about this product, all we have to do is just click on it, and it's going to bring up this screen right here where we can see how many units have been sold, what's the potential profit, how it's performing in the market. It'll show you the video ads where you can actually download the videos right to your computer so you can bunch these up and create your own advertisements. So if you want to try this out, I highly recommend it. The good people at AutoDS actually gave me a deal to provide to you guys. It's going to be 30 days where you can try this for only $1. Literally $1 to have a reliable supplier that's going to give you fast shipping times and a product research tool. You really can't beat it. So yeah, check them out. I'll be sure to leave a link at the top of the description. Hopping into product number 2, this product right here I've mentioned on a previous top 5 video, but this product is crushing and I found another competitor that's doing well with it. Okay, so this is a 2-in-1 bikini trimmer. It's waterproof. You can bring it in the shower, and apparently it's nick proof. Okay, so this is perfect for you know, spring going into summer season where women want to clean shave, they're going to the beach, and if you can show before and afters of the product, you know, from hairy to clean shave, you're gonna crush, okay? And it's really easy to make content for this. So as you can see, there's tons of high quality images. So again, just like product number 1, you can create a full-fledged brand that you could sell year round. Now you're gonna get the product for around $19.49, and I've checked other suppliers, that's pretty accurate. And you can easily sell this for $39.99 plus, just like the product before. You can really, you know, raise that price up if you brand this correctly, okay? Now, I don't understand why it says 50 sold, because I clicked on it and definitely said like 3,000, but I'm gonna come back to the search results. As you can see, this product right here, which is pretty similar, 1,000 units sold. This is the exact same product, 3,000 units sold, another 3,000 units sold. So this product definitely has demand. So the competitor is called Kayla Beauty. I found this video on Pinterest. If you didn't know, you can find winning products on Pinterest too. Just a little bit of game for you guys. It's really good for like skincare products, beauty products, and things like that, fashion as well. So I'm gonna play the video. It has copyrighted music, so I can't play it out loud. But as you can see, this lady literally has a bush, let me tell you. She's got a bush, and she got it off with 3 swipes, so you know that the product works, okay? So they're just talking about how those little gels on the shavers are, you know, can irritate your skin. It also talks about how it's nick proof. This section right here shows that it's waterproof. You can use it in the shower. It's also good for dry skin. It has a skin guard. You get the point. But if we check out their website, they're actually doing a fantastic job. They're selling one for $24.95. They do have a shipping fee on the back end. They have a pink version and they have a blue version as well. I really like how they branded their photos here. They just took, you know, basically the same stuff that's on AliExpress, put a hand there. This isn't really hard to make. You can make this right in Canva. But what I want you guys to take from this product page is how good that they're doing this. So this is perfect. Gentle on all skin types, and it shows a GIF of somebody using it on their skin. People don't want to see a ton of static images. I see so many of your guys' websites. You send them to me through Instagram, TikTok, whatever, and they all have static images. You need to make GIFs like this so that way, you know, people can actually see what your product does in action. They have tons of before and afters, you know, testimonials, as you can see here, before and afters, and then they end it off with some reviews. Now, while this product page isn't perfect, this is good enough for it to convert. Too many of you guys spend way too much time on your product page. This right here is good enough to get it done, to get the job done. So definitely check out this product. They're making easily $1,000 a day plus. I've checked other competitors as well that are selling this exact same product. So definitely give it a shot and let me know what you think. Product number 3 is actually pretty cool, and it's for your pets. So it's basically a detangling brush. If you saw the previous top 5 video, I showed you a product where basically you could brush the hair of a woman and then you could press up the bristles and then remove the hair. This is the exact same thing but for your pets, but there's more functionality to it. So basically you can add essential oils. Where's the picture? Right here. So essential oils right here, and while you're brushing your pet, you can make them smell good. So you can basically clean them and brush them at the same time, which is really cool and solves a massive problem in a huge market. People will spend tons of money on their pets. So there's a bunch of high quality images that you can go ahead and use on your website. Again, you can make this a full-fledged brand 100%. You're gonna get the product for $13.99. You can easily sell this for 30 bucks, 35 bucks, easily. So if you check out the company's video ad, this company's called Doggo Comfy, and you can basically see exactly what I just told you guys. You turn on the device, it'll spray the essential oils, and then you can go ahead and brush your pet at the same time. So it's pretty cool. You can make some very good content, easy content to make for organic drop shipping for those that want to do that. But this video was just posted at the beginning of this month, a few weeks ago. It's already got 117,000 likes, 2,000 plus comments, 21,000 saves, and over 100,000 shares. And if we head to the comment section, there are a ton of people asking about the product, how much it is, what does it do, how are the features, how much, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. But this is exactly what you're looking for when it comes to a winning product, because you want to see people that show actual interest. This is what's called buying intent. And if we check out their TikTok, they actually get pretty consistent views. It looks like they sell other products as well. Again, this is a company called Doggo Comfy. And if we check out their website, again, they're definitely drop shipping. They're doing a single, double, and a triple. I definitely recommend that you have ka-ching bundles instead of having it laid out like this. It just looks a lot cleaner. But they're selling it for $21.95, and I know for a fact that they have a shipping fee on the back end. Now their headline says the #1 solution to dog hair. This is literally perfect. This is a perfect headline, and then they start with a GIF, which is literally the exact same video from their TikTok. This is exactly how you want to start your product page. You want to hit them with a bang, and you want people to be able to keep continuing reading your product page. We don't want to see static images. Other than that though, their product page is pretty basic. In my honest opinion, I think they could have done this a little bit better. But again, it's not terrible. They do have some reviews here. But all in all, this is a product that definitely would sell. Again, people spend a lot of money when it comes to their pets, and I definitely wouldn't shy away from something like this. For product number 4, it fits right into April. It rains a lot, and you're gonna need an umbrella, okay? But this isn't your ordinary umbrella. It has UPF 50+, so basically it'll be able to keep you shaded during those sunny days, but also at the same time it has a fan misting feature. So you can attach a water bottle. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you can attach a water bottle to the very bottom, and it blows out mist from the top, which is really cool. Wait till you guys see the video ad. There's tons of high quality images that you can go ahead and use on your site. You're gonna get the product for $19.99. And for something like this, where it's super unique and definitely has a wow factor and solves a problem, you could definitely sell this for $39.99 and still get that $20 margin. And if you see from the seller, they've already sold 800 plus sold on this exact listing. There's a few others that have a few hundred as well. So there's definitely demand for the product. And again, it's very unique. And there's tons of different colors that you can choose from. As you can see, they have a black version. I hate when it does that. There's a black version, a pink version, a like turquoise, blue, and so many more. So the company we're gonna be checking out is called Breeze Fan Official. Okay, they have 16,000 followers and they get pretty consistent views. Like their most recent video was just a month ago. And as you can see, their pinned video is 3.8 million, 3.3 million. And this one's actually hilarious. It just says POV, or the rich aunt. And you can see that they're taking it off, putting the bottle on there, and it blows mist and has a fan. So that's pretty cool, especially for, you know, those rainy days, especially when it's sunny as well. You're gonna be able to get shade and you're gonna be able to stay cool. And again, if we check out the comment section, there's tons of people saying that it's cool, how much, where do I buy it? And again, this just gives you more confidence that this product is a winner. Now, they don't have a currency converter on their site, so I can't really give you the exact pricing of this, but as you can see, these are literally the same images from AliExpress. They only have one of the variants on their site, so that's one way that you can stand out right from the get-go, is by adding all the different colors. But again, they start their product page with the same GIF or the same video as the ad that I just showed you. Be prepared for summer. They give a description about it. Again, they just show a bunch of different clips from the exact TikToks, and that's exactly all you need to do. I mean, I personally wouldn't have the text on there, just make it a little bit, you know, more clean in my honest opinion. And then they end it with some reviews. Now, they only have 5 reviews, so I would make sure I use an app called A-Reviews. It's in the Shopify App Store. It lets you import from Amazon as well, just in case there isn't enough reviews on AliExpress. But all in all, solid product. I definitely recommend that you check this one out, especially since we're in a season where it does rain a lot. I think you can make this 20 times better. Let me know in the comment section if this is one that you're going to test. All right, so the 5th and final product is something that solves a massive problem in a massive market, and that's the baby niche. Now, I'm a new father myself, and I can tell you that this right here is a lifesaver. So this product right here warms your baby's bottle on the go, and there isn't really an option like this on the market that's not like crazy, like $200, $300, okay? And a lot of the times what parents do is they'll either have to microwave the bottle, or they'll have to like bring like a flask full of boiled water, so that way you can put the bottle inside, and it's a pain in the ass. Okay, so this product right here solves all of those problems. So you're gonna get the product for around $26.04, and you can easily sell this for $50 plus, okay? So you'll be able to get a very solid margin with this. And there's a ton of images here that you can use on your site. Some of these aren't the greatest, but there's other listings that have way better, images than this. But this is a product that you can easily have a multi-million-dollar brand with, like no questions asked. So if you check out the competitor's video, all it just says is, don't know how we ever lived without this, which is facts. And it just shows the bottle going inside of the warmer, and you can heat it up within 30 seconds to a minute. It has LEDs on the front, you can control the temperature, and I'm telling you right now, this is a lifesaver for parents, and people would definitely spend a lot of money on this. Now the competitor is called Heatmate Shop, and as you can see, their pinned video has 3.7 million views, 1.1 million views, and they post a lot, and they get pretty consistent views. Now the website isn't the greatest. They have a site called Cozy Baby. It's literally just a niche store for baby products. They sell a bunch of different things. They're calling this the Heatmate Portable Bottle Warmer. They're selling it for $44.99. I really like this section right here. It just says get a discount if you buy these products. It's other products in the baby niche that other parents may want. This is really smart if you're trying to boost your average order value. But they do have some gifts showcasing the product and exactly what it does. It literally looks just like the videos that we saw from TikTok. And then they also end with reviews as well of other parents that seem to be pretty happy with the product. Now again, this product solves a massive problem in a massive market, and there isn't a company out there that has done this right yet. So if you can keep the price at around $50 to $75, you're gonna crush the competition. I believe there's a company out there called Mom Cozy that actually made this product. They brought it to the market not too long ago, and they're charging around like $200 to $250. So if you can find a more affordable option for parents, you could absolutely crush. All right, you guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Those are my top 5 winning dropshipping products of April 2025. Now, I know that this video was jam-packed full of value, and hopefully you found some products that you could potentially test. But I'm curious, let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, and in the future, what types of posts would you like to see on the YouTube channel? As always, I greatly appreciate all the support. We actually just hit 8,000 subscribers, so thank you guys if you guys are supporting and watching these videos. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys next time.